Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12, and also today we'll learn a new topic in the chapter Dividend and Interest. Legal provisions on dividend. As you all know students, the company can declare and pay dividend only when there is a profit. In other words, dividend is payable only out of the profit. If there is no profit, there can be no distribution of dividend. So, according to the Companies Act, every company has to follow legal provision with respect to sources of dividend, declaration of dividend, and payment of dividend. Let's study them in detail. The very first legal provision is legal provision on sources of dividend. Students, in this provision, we'll see which are the various sources from where a company declares the dividend to their shareholders. So, according to the Companies Act, it provides that a dividend can be paid only out of the profits of the current financial year or out of the profits of the previous financial year. Yes, students, company can pay dividend to their shareholders out of its current year profit or out of its previous financial year profit. If in any year the profits are inadequate or there is no profit, company may declare or pay dividend out of its previous financial year. But students, whether they are paying out of the current year or out of the previous year profit, all the company shall declare dividend only after providing depreciation. Also, a company, it can pay dividend out of the money which central or state government provides them against a guarantee for the payment of dividend. Other than current year or previous year profit, company cannot declare dividend out of the capital. Yes, student, they are not allowed to pay dividend out of the company's capital, but they can declare dividend out of the capital profit. Capital profit means when a company sell its fixed asset at price higher than original cost of such asset, then it is said to be capital profit. Always remember students, dividend shall not be declared or paid by a company from its reserves other than free reserve. Free reserve, yes, company may also declare dividend out of its free reserve. It means it is a reserve which are available for distribution of the profit, that is of the dividend. So these are the sources from where a company declares or pay dividend to their shareholder. Second legal provision is legal provisions for declaration of dividend. In this provision, we'll study the various steps that has been laid down by the Companies Act to the companies for declaring the dividend. The very first step for declaring the dividend is holding board meeting, where the board of directors have to pass resolution, that is to finalize the amount, that is the rate of dividend to be paid to the shareholders, also to finalize at which schedule bank the dividend account will be open, also to fix the day, date, time and venue of the annual general meeting so that they can take the approval from the shareholders. Once the board of directors determines the rate of dividend to be declared and recommends it to the shareholders, then the second step is to hold the annual general meeting for taking dividend approval from the shareholders. The shareholders, by passing a resolution in the annual general meeting, can declare the dividend, and the shareholders can either accept the same rate of dividend or they can even reduce the rate which is recommended by the directors. Remember students, once the dividend is approved and declared, it cannot be revoked. Revoked means cancelled. After the declaration of dividend, within 5 days of it, मतलब 5 दिन के अंदर कंपनी को शेड्यूल बैंक में एक सेपरेट डिविडेंड अकाउंट ओपन करना होता है फॉर डिपॉजिटिंग द डिविडेंड अमाउंट. Last provision for declaration of dividend is prohibition to pay dividend. Prohibition means not allowed. If a company cannot declare dividend to its equity shareholders if they have failed to repay deposit or any interest on deposit, etc. So these were the 4 legal, that is steps for declaration of dividend for the company. Third legal provision is legal provisions for payment of dividend. According to this provision, no dividend shall be payable except by way of cash, where dividend payable in cash can also be paid through check, warrant, that is dividend warrant, or in electronic mode to the shareholders. The company must pay dividend within 30 days from the date of its declaration. Preference shareholders are paid first, then equity shareholders. If the shares are holding in joint names, 2 से ज़्यादा जन के नाम पे एक शेयर है, then the company has to send dividend warrant in first name person shareholder. If company fails to complete with any provisions of the dividend, then the company and the directors shall be liable to pay fine. So students, these were the legal provision that every company has to follow. Thank you.